Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be doing a Big Happy Planner vertical spread in an Irish St. Patrick's Day kit. This kit is from Savannah Paper Co. I will leave a link in my description to her shop. The quality and the stickers are just amazing, so I definitely recommend checking it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music so you can watch me make my spread and then relax at the same time. All right, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the video. Alright, so we're nearing the end of the video now, and as you can see, I had a lot of fun making this spread. I really enjoyed using as many stickers as possible. These stickers are for a classic size planner, but I am in a big happy planner, so I do have to get a little creative, which is why the washi strips don't fit perfectly in the boxes, just because they're not made for this size planner. However, you can use stickers of any sizes in any planner. Just use creativity and you can make it your own. Alright, again, I'll leave a link in the description to the Savannah Paper Co website so you can check out their stickers, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you had a fun time, and I will see you in the future. Alright, have a good day. Bye!